Hi everyone, welcome to Marcia's cooking. Today, I'm going to show you the mind-bogglingly easy and crunchy and finger-licking delicious prawn dish. I promise, this is going to be your favorite prawn dish of 2020. Are you ready? First, we start off by removing the crust. It is optional, you can leave that on if you like. I know I cut off quite a bit of bread crust here. Do not worry, I'll give you some bonus tips toward the end of the video what to do with this food scrap. So keep watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit the like button below gently. If you like to see more of easy, delicious, but also wholesome cooking recipes, learn how to be kitchen smart with many tricks and tips and everything and anything about food and cooking. To make the prawn filling, put prawn filling ingredient in a food processor. Blitz about 10 to 20 seconds until you get the paste-like texture. Please check the ingredient list down in the description box. We are going to spread the paste on every other bread slice. For example, one slice with paste on, next one without, because we are going to cover them like a sandwich. Next, brush the top side of bread with any kinds of vegetable oil. Here I am using prawn oil. If you happen to buy whole prawns, make sure not to throw out those heads and shells. They are packed to the flavors. I'll show you how to make prawn oil. This golden liquid will upgrade every plain meal into amazingly flavorful, high gourmet-like food. So wait until the end of the video. Once you finish brushing the oil, move them into the air fryer. Now you can cook them at 180 degrees for 5 minutes each side. If you don't have an air fryer, do not worry. You can use oven, deep fryer, or pan. Air fryer is an excellent kitchen appliance to make the food crispy with very little time, with much less oil than deep fryer. It's ideal for food that has quite a bit of fat in them naturally, like chicken drumsticks. Once it's done, you have to turn them over and brush the other side with oil and cook for another 5 minutes. Alternatively, you can pan fry for about 2 to 3 minutes over low-medium heat until the toast turns brown lightly and the prawn filling turns opaque. Or you can deep fry it at 60 degrees Celsius. We are going to prepare sauce. 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 clove of garlic. Mix them all together. Doesn't it feel great if you can minimize food waste and maximize nutrients and flavors by turning food scraps into amazingly new flavorful food? Marcia's cooking is all about sustainable cooking as well as deliciousness and flavor. As I promised, here are 2 kitchen smart ideas. I know you are excited. Saute prawn heads and shells over low-medium heat, and once the colors change, add more oil until the shells and heads are submerged just under the oil, and reduce the heat to the low and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes until you get the nice orangey golden liquid. With cut off bread crust sliced off the bread earlier, we can make croutons. Sprinkle some prawn oils or normal oil, salt and pepper, onion and garlic powder, and any spices you like, and lightly mix them up and cook them in the oven or pan fry until they turn light brown. Put croutons into the soup to add a bit of structure, or they are perfect snacks as they are. Here you go. I've been waiting for this time from the beginning. Now it was so crispy, crunchy outside and very moist inside. The sauce is very easy to make and tangy and vinegary flavor goes well with this prawn toast. How about Australia? Instead of shrimp on the barbie this Christmas, why don't you make this a prawn toast? You'll be the chef everyone will be talking about. I hope you enjoyed my recipe today. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And if you have any questions and not sure about how to cook a particular food ingredient, and let me know and ask me any questions. I will come back to you with a lot more interesting and delicious and healthy food. Thank you for stopping by. See you next time. Bye.